Afternoon, everybody. It's a little project that I've been wanting to get to for a while. When we bought this house, the windows weren't in the greatest condition to begin with, and now we're resorting to the point where we have wooden sticks because the window comes out. And you can see it'll pretty much come right out of the frame. So I want to show you how I ordered some window balances, how you can replace these and make your windows work like new again. Okay, if your window's like ours, it's going to have these type of spring balances. It's got a spring, a little hook that hooks into a pocket back here. There should be a plastic tip up here, and there should be the bottom glides down here. Now, a few of these parts are missing on mine because they've been so beaten up over the years. So let me show you one that's actually still good. These are our new slides that came in. You can see the new top, brand new bright and shiny springs, new glides. And what you have to do when you're ordering these is make sure that you know the weight of the window. You're going to have to know the weight of the sash in order to order the proper balance springs. In order to do that, all I did was uninstall the sash, put my son on his digital scale, weigh him, then hand him the sash and weigh him again. And we found out this sash comes out to 29 pounds total, and the springs were from 28 to 30, so those are the set that we got. Normally what you would have to do is up here on both sides, there are clips that you can pop out with your finger. You pop them out, raise the window up, and this little piece here will catch on that clip. And once it catches on the clip, that will allow the sash to come up above that and then slide it to one side and it will come out. Since both of the springs are out of this one, you don't even have to do that. Now this is part of the kit that I ordered. This is the rebuild kit. These are the clips that go up in the window frame, and these are the stops that go on the side of the window. I used Swisco for the parts. I'll put a link in the description if you need your parts. They were really helpful. I took a couple of detailed measurements and sent it off to their Ask an Expert link, and ended up getting back the response of exactly what line and what model with what fit and what glide fit our windows. If you can't find a stamped identifier on your window balance, like our old ones did not have, you'll have to do something like that with them. Now you can see up in these two holes, that's where that little clip goes in, and they're super easy to get in. All you do, take your clip, drop it down in the hole, and then just push down, and they go right in. That's how they flush up. When you're ready to install the window, you usually have to get a screwdriver or flat blade behind it to pop it out. I ordered the kit to replace all these. You can see this side already has one, but I'm going to go ahead and replace them just to make sure everything's done. Now on the top here, you can see what's missing on this one is that white piece, that white guide. What you're going to do, slide this in and replace the screw. The screw was still there, the guide was gone. So we'll put that in and just snug that down and do the same for the other side. Now that we've got that replaced, we're going to go ahead and put these in. What you're going to do is hook this little piece in here on the pocket inside the door, pull down and slide this under the new clip that's in. And we'll repeat that with the other side. Once your springs are loaded, they will stay right in the side, just like this, and it's time to load the window. Now with our window ready to go in, just reverse the process from before. Pick up your sash. This time you'll have to go above the slides. As soon as you set it in, bring it to the side. Pop your clips back in, and your window is now fixed. It's quick, simple, cheap fix. They stay up, they work perfectly. And for the price of $30 a window, it's a heck of a lot cheaper than replacing these.
Oh my gosh. That's awesome.
I hope seeing a repair like this that to me was a little intimidating at first, but after taking a couple of looks at it, seeing how the window came apart, it's pretty simple, pretty easy, and a pretty cheap fix. If you like what you saw, please hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.